Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get a Wix discount. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder. Here you can create a site and then right here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of your Wix websites. So right here, as you can see guys in the bottom, you're gonna find the option to upgrade your Wix to the premium, get a free domain and remove Wix ads from your site. So right now I'm going to click on upgrade now and then this will take you to this page. They're gonna ask you to select a site to upgrade. You can also search for the site right here. And then once you find a site, just go ahead and click on it to select it and then just wait for it to load and this will take you to this page right here. So basically guys, once you're here, you need to choose which subscription you want. There is the Business Elite one, Business, Core, and lastly the Light one. So each one, you can read the advantages of it right here. You can also compare the plain features. For example, I'm going to select right now the Business. And as you can see, guys, you will get with it free domain for 1 year as a gift. So go ahead and click on select. And then once you're here, you can either choose to pay for 1 year, for monthly subscription, or 2 years. And then you can click on continue to checkout. And then right here, you need to enter your payment method and your invoice details. And as you can see, guys, here you're going to find the option to enter a promo code. Go ahead and click on this option. And then in a new tab, go ahead and search for Wix promo code. Once you do that, you're going to be right here. Click on this option right here, and then you can copy your code. Once you copy it, just go ahead and paste it right here. And then once you paste your code right here, go ahead and click on apply. And then as you can see, guys, you will get a discount. After that, click on submit purchase, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.